Hey guys, I want to tell you about Family
what's
Bracelet.
going on?
Hey,
oh yeah, hey, look at me. Oh
Forrest,
yeah,
Forrest,
hey,
Forrest,
hey,
my
hey.
name's Forrest.
Oh, I
Yeah,
want to say hi to Grandma
Forrest,
too. Hi,
Forrest, my
Grandma.
name's Forrest.
Okay, let's go.
Did you really have to start all of that?
Well, I really want to tell you
Really?
about Family Bracelet Club. Family Bracelet Club is about intentional bracelets. So, we have letters and stones inside the treasure chest, and you get to learn how to make bracelets and give them meanings. So when you're wearing them and other people wear them, they get to think of you. You can make them about humor, about something you want to remember. There's lots and lots to choose from. Let's take a look at my sister. She's looking at a narwhal right now to add to one of her finished bracelets. She started at the end and finished before everybody else and is already going on her second and third bracelet.